Hi. Alright, so I am here because I was supposed to go live on the Glance app, but unfortunately, due to some technical error, I we could not make it happen. So I think we're going to do it another time. But since I was all set, I thought let me just come live on Instagram and let you guys know about this technical glitch because I knew that you all will be waiting, and at the same time, just chit chat with you guys for a while. What's up? What's happening? Hi. Hi, Lakshmi. हाय जयेश हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे आप सबको हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे हाय सूफिया हाय Hi, I'm really sorry. I know you all must have been waiting for the live on Glance app, but I am extremely sorry. And ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, technical glitches and all that. So even I was ready, all set. You know, I went to work out a little early so that I can kind of make time and chat with you guys on the app. But unfortunately, maybe next time. But I thought I don't want to disappoint you guys, so I thought let me just come live on Instagram quickly. Hi, Riva. I would like to meet you, big fan. All luck. Hi, Nupur. Kushal. Mwah. Lots of love, Nupur. And a big tight hug to you, Kushal. Kushal used to really like my dad's videos, and he was very fond of him, and he's always made it a point that he'll check on me. And although we haven't spoken since then, but I know he was continuously checking on me and calling me, messaging me. So मुझे सब याद है. We'll speak very soon. Thank you so much. Hi, Sandeep. Hi, Chandni. What else is happening? I am a big fan. Thank you, Geeta. Hi, Samir Sheikh. Hi, Khushi. I think it's almost dinner time. We really tried to fix it. I think 45 minutes we were trying to fix it किसी तरह से हो जाए, but it did not happen. And finally we decided that let's just skip it this time and probably plan it for some other day. So I thought might as well go live and chat with you guys. और बताइए क्या चल रहा है आप लोगों के लाइफ में? How is everything going on? How's work? Whatever. I mean, ask me anything. You have 10 minutes. Lip shade, Monica. I think I mixed a lipstick from L'Oreal and a lip liner from K-Beauty. I don't know the exact name, but I'll find out for you and I'll put it in my story. Monica? Hi, Meenu. Hi, Aleem. Love from Punjab. Thank you, Ji. Thank you so much. Hi, Nidhi. What's up, Nids? सब सुंदरी और प्रीटी वुमन ही बोल रहे हैं. क्या बात है? क्या मैं बहुत अच्छी लग रही हूँ? Is it? Nice. Aarti, you're looking so beautiful. Thank you so much. Are you going to ask me something? Because you have 10 minutes. Love from UK. Thank you, Nidhi. Love from Jamshedpur. Thank you so much. Sundar Ladki. Thank you. So are you, sweetheart. Beautiful. In and out. Hello, Arshad. Hi, Ria. Hi, Devendra Gupta ji. You're my all-time favorite actress. I love you a lot. From Uttar Pradesh. Thank you, ji. You're very pretty. Thank you, Sundar Ladki. Ho. Thank you, ji. आप ही सुंदर हैं, तभी मुझे सुंदर बोल रहे हैं मन से. तो मैं आपको जानती नहीं हूँ, आपको देखा नहीं है, पर तारीफ करने के लिए भी अंदर से सुंदरता चाहिए होती है. So, और बताइए, did you guys see my film? Did you guys watch it on Voot? It's our home production and we're very, very excited about it. In fact, Wishlist is now available on Amazon India. I'm really, really excited. And Heroes Far Better film is growing, and I'm very, very excited. Me and Rocky are very, very happy. In fact, our next release is also on its way. I'm not there, but it's our home production again. I'm not going to tell you much. You'll get the details soon. Hi Divya. Divya, what's? मेरे को भी reply दे दो. Hi Preet. Well, Rupam, there's no way you can deal with it. You have to live with it. Hi Sana. नेक्स्ट लुक क्या होने वाला है आपके पोस्ट में? आई थिंक आई स्टिल हैव सम पिक्चर्स लेफ्ट in the sari look, but I think I've already posted a lot. Step in, मोहब्बत है, of course मोहब्बत है, बहुत 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 सारी मोहब्बत है. और yes, step in आ गए हैं full on अपने गाने के बारे में बात करने के लिए. बट यस, मोहब्बत है, बहुत बहुत सारी मोहब्बत है, और आप लोगों को भी मोहब्बत है बहुत जल्द सुनने को मिलेगा, which is sung by my very dear friend Stebin. It's an amazing song and Shahir and me are there. It's directed by Mohit Suri. We were so kicked to shoot with him, and he was fab. So all in all, I'm very excited. Shahir is very excited. We had great fun while shooting it, and I can't wait for y'all to watch Mohabbat Hai very soon. It's short. I mean, I can't tell you much. Sorry. साड़ी में काफी अच्छी लगती हो लक्ष्मी जी. थैंक यू सो मच. Chandan ji. Hello, Chandan. Real Hina Khan page. Hello. So that's it for now. I will try and come live next time again, and of course let's see how the glance live goes. We may probably plan it some other day, but I'm really, really sorry that it did not happen, which is why I wanted to make it up to you and come live on Instagram and let you guys know. I knew you guys are waiting, and you all know that I love you a lot. So yeah, thank you Tanu. आप सब लोग अपना ख्याल रखें, and that's it. Poo, yes, this is the poo, the same poo. बेचारा, हालत देखो इसकी क्या हो गई है. I think I'll have to add some stuffing into it now. talk about Cannes, Anushka. I will talk about Cannes once I am there again. This year did not happen because I was not vaccinated. COVID happened. A lot of things happened. Indians mostly were not allowed, so I could not make it. Inshallah, next year, and then we'll talk about Cannes. For now, y'all take care, and I think enjoy your dinner. Those who've not had it yet, and जिन लोगों ने खा लिया है, good night. Shabba khair and lots of love. When will you visit Jammu? Ritu. पता नहीं. तबीयत कैसी है? मेरी तबीयत बेटर है. लास्ट टाइम जब आपसे बात हुई थी तो मैंने कहा था मैं 75% बेटर हूँ. But I think now I am around 92% better or maybe 90% better. But still 10% अभी भी है. थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है कभी कभी, बट आई थिंक इट इज़ गोना टेक टाइम. पोस्ट कोविड आई रियली सफर्ड. कोविड में मुझे कोई सिम्टम नहीं था. आई एम गोना मेक अ वीडियो ऑन यूट्यूब एंड लेट यू गाइज नो दैट हाउ इट वॉज, हाउ डिड आई फील एंड हाउ वॉज my post-COVID journey, what all precautions did I take, my medication, and what all did I eat, and कैसा रहा मेरा. I mean, I had mood swings. There were days where I used to get frustrated and cry because बहुत परेशानी हुई है मुझे. But luckily, touch wood, by God's grace, I am 90% better now. अभी भी जब मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ तो थोड़ा इधर मुझे दर्द होता है, तो अब मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलती हूँ. आप लोग अपना ख्याल रखें. गुड नाइट एंड टेक केयर. आई लव यू लोड्स. बाय. N cross, yeah.